Connection is built on trust, communication, and those subtle, meaningful touches that convey feelings words often cannot express. While most people know about the obvious zones for physical affection, today, we're going to dive deeper into 13 unusual places you can touch that will surprise her, make her feel truly seen, and deepen the emotional and physical bond between you two. Backed by psychological research, these subtle actions aren't about manipulation. They're about understanding intimacy on a deeper level and showing her your genuine care and affection. The power of touch in building connection. Before we begin, let's talk about why touch is so impactful in relationships. Touch activates the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, which helps people feel closer and more connected. Whether it's a reassuring hand on her shoulder, a gentle caress, or a playful gesture, these touches aren't just physical. They communicate safety, care, and attention, which are crucial for building and sustaining intimacy. 1. The back of her neck. Let's start with a zone that's often overlooked, the back of the neck. This area is incredibly sensitive due to its high concentration of nerve endings. A light touch, a soft kiss, or even a comforting hand placed gently here can send a wave of warmth through her body. It's a gesture that feels both protective and inviting. 2. The ears. The ears are an intimate yet often forgotten area. Softly brushing your fingers along the edges or leaning in to whisper something sweet can create an intimate and exciting moment. This subtle touch conveys closeness and makes her feel special. 3. The forearms. The forearms might seem like a neutral area, but a gentle touch here can convey care and affection. Whether you're laughing together or having a serious conversation, a light stroke along her arm can add a layer of comfort and connection. 4. The collarbone. The collarbone is delicate and often exposed, making it a perfect place for a gentle touch. Tracing your fingers here during a romantic moment can feel both intimate and soothing. It's a gesture that says, "I'm paying attention to you." 5. The lower back. The lower back is a classic spot for conveying protection and connection. Placing your hand here while walking together or during a hug sends a message of reassurance. It's a subtle way of saying, "I've got you." 6. Behind the knees. This might surprise you, but the area behind the knees is packed with nerve endings. A light touch here during playful moments can spark joy and laughter while adding a hint of excitement. 7. The wrists. The wrists are sensitive and often underappreciated. Holding her wrist gently while making a point or softly tracing your thumb across her wrist during a quiet moment can feel incredibly intimate. It's a simple yet meaningful gesture. 8. The ankles. Ankles may not be the first place you think of, but offering a light massage here after a long day can make her feel cared for and appreciated. This gesture shows attention to detail and a willingness to pamper her. 9. The shoulders. Whether it's a comforting squeeze or a relaxing massage, touching her shoulders can release tension and help her feel supported. This small gesture can communicate care, especially during stressful moments. 10. The temples. Massaging her temples after a long day isn't just relaxing, it's deeply intimate. This thoughtful touch shows her that you're attentive to her well-being and want to ease her stress. 11. The hairline. The hairline is another sensitive area that responds well to a gentle touch. Running your fingers along her hairline or tucking her hair behind her ear creates a tender and affectionate moment. 12. The feet. Offering to massage her feet is a thoughtful and caring gesture. After all, nothing says, "I care about you," like taking the time to help her relax and feel comfortable. 13. The inner elbows. Lastly, the inner elbows. This area may seem unexpected, but a soft touch here can create a sense of warmth and intimacy. It's a great way to show affection in a subtle yet meaningful way. How to approach these zones respectfully. Now that you're familiar with these 13 secret zones, let's talk about how to approach them. Be respectful. Always ensure that your touches are welcome and appropriate. Consent is key in building trust and intimacy. Be observant. Pay attention to her reactions. If she seems uncomfortable, adjust your approach. Be genuine. The goal isn't to manipulate or impress. It's to connect and show her that you care. Touch should always come from a place of love, respect, and authenticity. Intimacy is built on small, meaningful moments. By focusing on these often overlooked zones, you're not just exciting her physically, you're showing her that you value her and want to create a deeper connection. Remember, the most important thing is to approach every gesture with genuine care and consideration. When you do, you're not just building attraction, you're building trust and love. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship tips and psychology insights. Until next time, keep building meaningful connections